Alright guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in, and I want everybody to keep in mind for this entire video, all of these price changes, price drops, and penny items will not start until Tuesday, August the 29th. Alright, so first up, finally, we have our Green Star sock category going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, August the 29th. Now, here are a few amazing visuals thanks to some awesome Craz-E couponers. These were pretty hard for me to find in my area, but just make sure that you guys check out your regular sock section. These have been on clearance for quite a while now, so they might be a little bit harder to find. But as I always say, look high, look low, look everywhere you go, and scan, scan, scan. Now, as you all can see in these pictures, the socks in this category do range in size from infant all the way up to adult sizes. And they all have a similar packaging with the gray tags, whether it's one of the hook tags, the hang tags, or the wraparound tags that go all the way around the pack of socks. So just be on the lookout for that gray packaging and check to see if you find a green star next to the barcode. Now, another category dropping down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, August the 29th, we have the gray diamond socks. And this is another category. These have been on clearance for a while, but again, the same thing. Look out for those gray tags, and these do range in price from infant all the way up to adult sizes. So be on the lookout and scan, scan, scan. Next up, we have our select baby items going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, August the 29th. Now, I have not found any pictures for these items yet, so if you guys are finding these out there and you want to send in some pictures, my email is crazycoupons1@gmail.com, or you can also reach me over on Instagram. It is @crazycoupons. And all of that information is linked for you in the pinned comment down below, as well as the description box. Next up, we have the reusable face masks and accessories going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, so be on the lookout for those. And we also have the hand sanitizer spray going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday. Now, there is only one item included in this category, and unfortunately, we do not have a picture for it. But I believe these are going to be the little small spray bottles. These are normally priced at $1.50 each, and they could be red, green, blue, or black. So be on the lookout for those. All right, next up, we have the Memorial Day flowers going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday. And these could be anywhere in the store at this point. At one store, I spotted them on a sky shelf up near the registers. They could also be back in the home decor section, or they could be mixed in with your swim and summer items. So if you want to pick up these at 90% off, look high, look low, look everywhere you go. Now, up next, really exciting, we have the Purple Dot home items going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, August the 26th, and I will have an updated visual video for you all, so make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and jump into our penny list for this week at DG. Now, for anyone who is new to penny shopping, please remember that we do not ask employees about penny items. That is the #1 rule to penny shopping. If you do that, you are sabotaging yourself. So do not ask the employees about penny items. All you have to do is go into your local Dollar General stores, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video. If you find them, scan them with your Dollar General app. Make sure that you have your correct store location set, and if the price shows up at 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. Alright guys, so first up, going down to a penny starting on Tuesday, we have the Stye Sterile Lubricant Eye Ointment. So here's a couple of different pictures for you all, and the UPC code is on your screen. Next up, we have the Rexall Lens Cleaner with Cloth 2-ounce, UPC code on your screen, and this looks like it's in a little clear pouch. Alright, next up we have the DG Health Maximum Strength Cold and Hot with Lidocaine Cream, 1.75 ounce. We also have the DG Health Medicated Pain Relief Patch 20 count box. And then we also have the 2-ounce Blue Emu Original Super Strength Topical Cream. Now next up, we do have a few food items. So we have the Good and Smart Whole Natural Almonds 7-ounce bags. We also have the Clover Valley Salted Caramel Trail Mix. This is an 8-ounce bag, and the UPC codes are on your screen. Next up, we have the Clover Valley Sweet and Spicy Trail Mix. This is a 10-ounce bag. And for this one, in the DG app, it's showing up 2 different types of packaging, so be on the lookout for either one. All right, next up, we have the Clover Valley Fruit and Nut Trail Mix. This is also a 10-ounce bag, and the app is also showing us 2 different types of packaging for this one as well, so be on the lookout for both. Alright guys, so that is going to be a wrap on our new clearance markdowns and penny list for this Tuesday at Dollar General. But if y'all paid attention last week, you know we had a ton of surprise pennies that popped up first thing Tuesday morning. So make sure that you have those notifications turned on and stay tuned because you just never know what's going to happen at Dollar General. So before you go, make sure that you do all the things, subscribe, turn on those notifications, and do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.